Hey everyone, my name is Kwanch and today we will discuss about the top 5 myths regarding the L1A visa on a new company setup. First myth is that you need a huge office space in the US. That is not true. You need an office space but limited to a physical office which can employ up to 2 to 3 people initially or the first year. Virtual office is not recommended for L1A visa because you need to show that you have a physical office space with all the basic and necessary things ready where the employee will be coming to work. Myth number 2. Your Indian company should be very big in order to qualify for an L1A visa. That is also not true. Any company with a revenue of around 2 to 4 crore INR are also eligible for an L1A visa. Small to mid-sized companies having an employees count of 5 to 7 employees on payroll is also eligible for an L1A visa. Myth number 3. Employee count in the US. Most people think that they will initially need to hire 5 to 7 employees in the US entity before establishing the business. That is not true. Even 1 to 2 employees in the US entity should be fine while you will establish your business in the United States on L1 visa. Myth number 5. Only IT companies are eligible for an L1A visa. That is not true. Any kind of business is eligible for an L1A visa like industries, hospitality management, restaurants, hotels, non-IT companies, banquet halls, manufacturing businesses. Any kind of business that is registered and generating revenue is eligible for an L1A visa. Thank you. For more information, check out the option.